Hello students, I am here to teach class 2 social studies, and today I will start a chapter number 3, that is clothes we wear. Okay? In this lesson we will learn about why we wear clothes, different clothes for different seasons, what are clothes made of, and how to take care of clothes. Okay, these are the 4 topics we will do in this lesson. Clothes. What are clothes? First, children, let me explain you. Clothes are the terms used to describe types of materials we wear on the body. Okay, what we wear on the body, the types of materials, they are called clothes. See, early people who lived many years ago, they used to cover and protect their bodies. What they used that time, they don't have clothes to cover their body and to protect their bodies. Okay, so what they used to cover their bodies, they wrap tree leaves, tree barks, bones, skull, and the skin of the dead animals. These are the things they used to cover their body and to protect their bodies. Okay, there were no information about when that these peoples started using clothes. We don't know that, but after that they started using clothes. Okay, see, these are the clothes, pictures of the clothes. Clothes are our basic needs. Okay, our basic needs are the clothes. Now, why we all wear clothes? We all wear clothes, but do you know why we wear clothes, children? Let us find out. We all wear clothes to cover our body. The first and foremost point is to cover our body, right? And what others is there? Clothes also protect us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Okay, and they also protect us from insect bites. Okay, we look smart. See, we look smart and nice in our clothes. But you know, children, we look smart and nice, we look beautiful in our clothes, but you should remember that we should always wear neat and clean clothes. Why? We should always wear neat and clean clothes to remain healthy. Okay, because it is a common knowledge that it is better to look clean and fresh than looking untidy. Because if we will wear dirty clothes, we will look untidy, we will look shabby, right? Dirty clothes lead to skin infections also. Okay, bad body smell can occur wearing clothes with bacteria and fungi found on them. You know, children, bacteria and fungi found on the clothes, and if we will wear that clothes, our body will smell bad. Okay, so everyone has bacteria inside and outside the body. Do you know that there is a bacteria inside and outside our body, and these clothes capture that bacteria. So it is very risky to wear them again without washing. That's why we always wash our clothes daily, right? The only way to prevent the spread of germs found on the clothes is to wash them. We should always wash our clothes daily to prevent from spreading of germs. If we will not wash the clothes, then what will happen? The germs will spread on our body and it will spread on others also. Okay, so we should always wear neat and tidy dress to look smart, to remain healthy. Okay, now we wear different clothes. Okay, see, these are the pictures of saris. There are saris, blouse, frocks, skirts, pants. These are the clothes of women. And what men wear? These are the pictures of shirts, pants, coats, jackets, t-shirts, etc. Okay, there are different kinds of clothes to wear for men and women. Okay, men and women wear different kinds of clothes. Men wear different clothes, women wear different kinds of clothes. Okay, there are varieties. Like women wear, what women wear? They wear saris, blouse, skirts, tops, frock, etc. Right? And what are the clothes of men? What they wear? They wear shirts, pants, shorts, coats, jackets, etc. Women also wear salwar suits, right? And there are uh, clothes for kids also. Okay, these are the different kinds of clothes which we wear. Okay, understood? Now comes to what are the different types of clothes in India, which we discussed were the different types of clothes for men and women. But in India, we wear different types of clothes in India. Okay, in India, we wear different kinds of clothes in different parts. Okay, there are traditional dresses. These are called traditional dresses for different parts of the India. Like different states wear different traditional dresses. Like Gujarat, in Gujarat they wear Gujarati dress. See, you can see here Gujarati dress. Then this is Maratha dress, that is they wear in Maharashtra. This is a traditional dress of Maharashtra. This is a traditional dress of Tamil Nadu, South. Okay, Tamil people wear these dresses. Bengali in our West Bengal. This is a traditional dress of West Bengal. Different states have different traditional dresses. Punjab. In Punjab, they wear Sikh people wear Punjabi dress. This is a Punjabi traditional dress. Okay. Christians, they wear this dress. Everyone. Sikh people, Kashmir, in Kashmir, Kashmiri dress. See, look at here. This is a Kashmiri dress. Okay. So, these are the different traditional dresses which people wear in different parts of India. Okay, Assamese people wear Assamese dress, the people of Assam. So, this way you will see there are different types of clothes which people wear in different parts of India. Okay, understood, children? Now, we will move to different clothes for different seasons. Okay, different according to the season we wear our clothes. They first come to summer season. Okay, summer is the hottest of all the seasons. You know, summer is the hottest. This is the hottest season of all the seasons. What we wear in summer? In summer, we wear light colored cotton clothes. In summer, we wear light colored cotton clothes. Why cotton clothes only? Because cotton clothes, we feel comfortable in cotton clothes. Okay, in cotton clothes, cotton is a good absorber of water, because in summer what happens, we sweat a lot, right? We sweat a lot in summer, and cotton is a good absorber of water. Okay, so cotton clothes absorb sweat and keep us cool. Okay, because we wear clothes according to the conditions of the weather, and in summer season it is very hot, so we wear cotton clothes to keep us cool. So in summer, when days are very hot, and we wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool, and cotton clothes are very light. Okay, they are very light, that's why we feel very comfortable in cotton clothes. Okay, and they are very easy to wash also. Cotton clothes are very easy to wash, so we feel comfortable, and in summer season we should always wear cotton dresses which we feel comfortable, because this is the season in which we feel very tired, we feel very irritating due to a lot of sweat. Okay, so cotton clothes, you can see here what are the cotton clothes. See, these are the cotton clothes which we wear in summer season. Next come to winter season. What happens in winter season, children? During winter we feel very cold. During winter we feel very cold, and what we wear? We wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Why woolen clothes? Because wool is used to knit sweaters, and wool always keep us warm. So in winter season we want clothes which keep us warm, right? So we wear woolen clothes in winter season. In winter we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Okay, what wool is used? Why wool is used? Wool is used to knit sweaters, caps, socks, and other warm clothes. You know, see, you can see here muffler, cap, jackets, socks, gloves. Okay, woolen pants. These are the woolen clothes which we wear in winter season. Okay, so these are muffler, scarf, etc. They all keep us warm. They help. Like in Jammu and Kashmir, people there are in Jammu and Kashmir you will see people always covered with warm clothes from head to toe. They wear cap, gloves, mufflers, sweaters, jackets, okay, socks, everything. Because in Jammu and Kashmir, like Jammu and Kashmir, there are many other places also where it's too cold. Okay, so we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Next come to rainy season. Okay, we have discussed about summer season, winter season, and now rainy season. What is rainy season? When it rains for a long time, we call it a rainy day, right? When it rains for a long time, we call it a rainy day. And when it rains, the clothes we wear get wet, right? Our clothes get wet. So we wear a raincoat, or we carry an umbrella to keep ourselves dry. See, people using umbrella, they are using raincoats, so gumboots, they all use these things. We people use these things, to these types of clothes, to keep ourselves dry. Raincoats are waterproof. You know now, waterproof means what? It will not let water through. That is a waterproof raincoats. They protect us from rain. Obviously they protect us from raincoats, protect us from rain. So with the help of raincoats or umbrella, we can go out even if it is raining outside. So raincoats in rainy season, what clothes we wear? Raincoats, gumboots, and we use umbrella to protect ourselves from rain to protect our clothes not to get wet. Okay. So children, today we have covered the topics. What we have covered the topics: why do we wear clothes, different kinds of clothes, different clothes in different seasons. Okay, till now we have discussed this. Let's recap it. That is what we have discussed. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our bodies and to protect us from heat, rain, cold and dust. And what from by wearing clothes we look smart and active also, and handsome in our clothes. Okay, and we wear different. Next we discussed different clothes. We wear different clothes like shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, sarees, blouse, etc. Men and women, they wear different kinds of clothes. And after that we discussed about different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Like in summer we put on cotton or silk clothes, which keep us cool, and in winter we put on woolen clothes to keep us warm. And when it rains we wear raincoats, which is made of plastic or rubber. They are waterproof and they protect us from rain. And people living in different parts of our country wear different clothes like Kashmiri dress, Bengali dress, Punjabi dress, etc. And we should never wear dirty clothes also, which makes us look shabby and they bring us bad health. We should always change our clothes. Now it's a homework time, children. Note down your homework. Number 1 is make a list of clothes which you wear in summer, winter and rain. You will make a column likewise, and you will write 4 clothes which you wear in summer, 4 clothes which you wear in winter and 4 clothes which you wear in rainy season. Okay, this is your first homework. Next comes to fill in the blanks. Number 1, we need dash to cover our bodies. Number 2, we wear dash kinds of clothes in different seasons. Number 3, woolen clothes keeps us dash. Number 4, cotton clothes keep us dash. Fill in the blanks I gave you. Do it by yourself. I explained you everything. Number 3, say yes or no, as usual, true or false. Number 1, cotton clothes are easy to wash. Number 2, dirty clothes keep us fresh and tidy. Number 3, clothes are one of our basic needs. Number 4, we wear woolen clothes in summer. Number 5, cotton clothes keep us warm. So children, you have to write whether these statements are true or false. So today we have done till here, and other topics we will do in the next class. Okay children, thank you.